Hello, this is Johnny. I'm going to show you how to put the Ninja Turtle visor. I just got this for my gift, for Christmas gift. Got it for $1.99 only. Now, there's a box that comes with, there's a one small box like this, and it comes with all this box over here. So I want to go ahead and they have one envelope that says a visor. So we are going to open this up, and then we're going to put it together. So open this one. This is the front of the visor, so we're not going to use that right away. So go ahead and open all this. Take it all out. This is the last four that you put on the visor, but I don't have the Arcade1Up Ninja Turtle put together yet. I'm just going to show you how to put the visor on. I finally got my room cleaned up. Now I'm able to put all this together. And here's the picture. Show that you got 16 of those, 16 of that, and only 4 of those. Okay, and you got 2. Anything that starts with R is for the visor. So it comes with extra pieces on the side, but those pieces are not for the visor. So, alright, so we go ahead and start. Put down last. This is the main one you're gonna use for the everything. And I got this set up to 3, so that way it doesn't have too much power. You automatically stop when you reach to where it's supposed to be. So this is the front, and this one is the back. So I'm going to use those 2 last. Now I recommend to go ahead and put in all this. So go ahead and put those in. Okay, put 2 here. Alright, same with this one. So this is going to be the metal piece. So the RP, let's get the, go into RN and RP. So this is the RN, it's going to be the outside, and RP is going to be the inside. Okay, so we are going to, this one have a 2 hole right here. You want this face up. Okay, so we're going to put that directly over here, like so. And we're going to go ahead and put the screw in. Make sure the hole is up. This is already pre-drilled hole. You want it to face up, not down. Okay. Those are in. And you want the Ninja Turtle, the white spot, to face down. Okay, and the green face up. Okay, let's go ahead and throw this thing in. And the riser, any riser, they're all exactly the same. I put in 2 regular riser already. Okay, and they're the same, it just don't have picture. And this is more shinier, the picture. I bought one, the wood wasn't as great, but it was on this side, inside, so it wasn't too bad, too much of a. So I bought 2 for Final Fight and Mortal Kombat, but those 2, have, one of them have a little bit of a woodworking issue, in my opinion, but okay, so now ready to put this in the front. And this also need 2 wood. I forgot to put that in. The wood I'm talking about is this 2. You need to put both of them here, and two more in the back. So with the riser, they don't give you enough of this. It's just enough for you to do this. Okay, but the other riser, they give you enough to where you could have one of everything left over. So I'm gonna put this as a front. Put it in. Put the screw in. I don't know why the bottom one, while ago, was giving me a hard time. Screw in. Okay. Then the other 2 will be so you want this to face, this will be the back. And you do want to put the wood in there, in the middle. Okay. Okay, they're all good. Now the last 2 pieces will be up here. And you want this round hole. This is a small hole. This one have where the tool would, the screw would disappear, go in. You want that to face up this way. So in other words, the RQ is going to face down. Alright, and then you're going to put that on. And they give you enough screw, that's it. There's no extra one here. It's kind of weird that they're not supposed to give you one of everything extra in case. But for some reason this riser does. Did not do that. Okay. All right, so it's almost finished. It's not too bad. Put those screws in. All right. So the riser is done. The little foot is at the bottom. And this one slides pretty well in the carpet. So that's it. That's the riser. And then the rest I have to put it together. It's just a separate video just to show you how to put this together for the riser at the bottom. Then you put 2 more screws at the end to hold the arcade so that it won't wobble too much. Just one right here, one right here. And those are the last set of screws. And you do that once the cabinet is built. Alright, thank you.